Welcome to another video, Tech, Cars, and More. This is P, going on a little ride here. Wanted to share something with you guys. Also, I'm testing out a new microphone. Tell me how it sounds. And so one of my dreams, ever since I was young in the car scene, was to have a car, build it, have a project car, and have it featured in a magazine. I grew up with the import scene, had a Mitsubishi Eclipse back in the 90s, and never got to that point. The scene was very competitive. Most of the cars, you had to put, thousands and thousands of dollars into a car to get it put into a show. And that's, if you're lucky, you win something or you got seen. But, it was very hard back then. Cars didn't come as equipped as they do nowadays. So, and the tuning scene was, I wouldn't say it was just getting started, but it was really hot at the time. This is back in the time of the first Fast and the Furious movie. And I remember going to the theater, watching that movie. The parking lot was like a car show, every single showing of that movie, every single day. So it was a hot time. There were car clubs everywhere, car shows everywhere. Hot Import Nights was up and running, and there was a car show called the Carlisle Import Tuner Show that came every year, which was a whole wild time. But, it was very popular, but never got to that point. My Mitsubishi, I actually had a Mitsubishi Eclipse, and I had a Eagle Talon at the same time. So, but never got to that point. Well, spent a lot of time this summer going to a lot of different car shows and car meets all over Ocean City, all over Pennsylvania, and so forth. And I finally got the opportunity. So for all those Mustang enthusiasts out there, I don't know if you ever heard of the magazine, Stang Magazine. It's an online magazine. It has, tons of issues, hundreds of issues. I'm not exactly sure how long they've been established, but it's a really nice magazine. If you haven't seen it, if you Google Stang Magazine, go to their website, you will be amazed at all the issues they have and all the cool content. It's a good place to go for ideas for your car, see other enthusiasts like yourself, see what they've done, all different model years, all different generations. So it's really, really nice. And another cool thing about this magazine, they're very nice people that run the magazine. So I want to thank them for this. But I've got my car in one of their issues. It's the East Coast versus West Coast special edition issue. So if you get a chance to go onto their website, State Magazine, look for the East Coast versus West Coast edition magazine. And I believe my car is right around, I think it's page 28. You'll see pictures of it. You'll see my story and all that. So yeah, check them out. But I did it. I did get a paper copy of the magazine, of the issue. So I have that to hold on to and give it to my son that he can hold on to it. And hopefully it'll build his dreams as well once he starts driving, to want to build a car, get into the car culture. He's already there. He loves working on cars. Him and I have been going to car shows since he was little. He's now 15. So, it went from him, going to the car shows and just being excited about going to the beach, eating snacks and stuff like that, to, him running around to all the different cars in the parking lots, asking them, about their cars, asking them how many horsepower, what they've done to it, what they have planned to do to it. And he's even gotten to sit in some pretty cool cars. So, for me, that's what it's all about, passing that on to the younger generation, getting them excited about it, giving them something, cool and good to look forward to work on, a cool hobby as well. So, he really loves it, and he has I have the magazine for him, and also got a dash plaque and some other stuff saying I was a featured car. But yeah, if you get a chance, go on to their website, Stank Magazine. I want to thank the guys at Stank Magazine for giving me that opportunity. It really, in a way, made a dream come true for me, because it's something that I've always wanted to do, wanted to be a part of, and they made it happen. But I'm going to be doing a lot more things with this car this summer, or this fall and winter, I'm sorry. Usually that's my time to get a lot of stuff done, because car shows are over unless you travel to warmer areas, and it gives you that time to plan on what you're going to do and work on it and get it done for next spring and summer. So like I said, I'm going to be doing a lot of install videos for some of the stuff that I'm going to be doing, so look out for that. Stay tuned. But this is, like I said, it's gonna be a small video. Just wanted to share that with you, and you get a chance, go to Stang Magazine's website. It might be stangmagazine.com, and take a look, see what issues are out there. But look for that East Coast versus West Coast issue. I'm in there, and also, if you get a chance, my Instagram, Silverhawk37, go on there, take a look. I also have some pictures of it there, and I also have pictures that I take at car shows and stuff like that. And who knows, you might see your vehicle there. But some pictures of my car as well. So get a chance, check it out. But thank you guys. Talk to you soon.